In a lush, tropical island nestled in the heart of the sea, lived a solitary tropic bird, known as Seabreeze, as free, with wings of shimmering gold and a crest of azure blue. A sight so beautiful, the islanders knew. One day, as the sun dipped low, a storm rolled in, dark and slow. Seabreeze, perched high on a coconut tree, felt the wind howl and the leaves fly. The storm raged with thunderous might, churning the sea in the dead of night. Seabreeze watched, his heart filled with fear, for he knew not what to do or hear. The storm subsided, leaving the island awestruck, as Seabreeze's nest, unfortunately, it had cracked. His eggs, once warm and snug, lay scattered and cold. A scene that filled Seabreeze with a heavy, bitter cold. He looked around, at the wreckage and the mess, felt a pang within, and a sense of helplessness. But then, a voice echoed in his heart, so clear. You have the strength, Seabreeze, to face your fear. He took a deep breath, spread his golden wings wide, and with a renewed spirit, he took to the sky, high and wide. He flew to the farthest corners, seeking help, for he knew his strength could never be a heap. The islanders gathered, their hearts filled with hope, helping Seabreeze, as they had done before, with a gentle rope. Together, they found the eggs, and with love, they cared, nurturing them, until they were no longer bare. When the eggs hatched, and the chicks took flight, the islanders rejoiced, with joy so bright. Seabreeze, with his family, soared through the blue, a testament to courage, and a lesson anew. Never underestimate your strength, the story now tells. For even in the face of adversity, you stand still. Together, we can overcome and rise above the storm. Embrace your strength, and never be forlorn. Moral: embrace your strength and face your challenges with courage, for even in the darkest of storms, there is always a way through. Together, with love and unity, we can conquer our fears and rise above them, just like the tropic bird named Seabreeze.